Hi there, Lisa Arana here from Dahlhouse Designs, sharing a card featuring the Beautiful Life Blessed Memories stamp kit from Unity Stamp Company. This stamp set has a beautiful floral heart image with lots of lovely sentiment sayings, but for today's card I thought we'd combine the heart with the happy anniversary sentiment from Love is a Magical Thing. I love how all these stamp sets work so well together. You can always find what you need. This card is all about simple stamping and a fantastic layout that can be used over and over again. So let's get started. I'm placing my die cut cardstock in my mini Misty here, just because I know this is a light colored ink and I'm going to need to do some repeat stamping. And the Misty makes this so easy. If you don't have a Misty though, look into getting the Stamp-A-Ma-Jig tool. That was my favorite before the Misty came out, and it helps with repeat stamping. I'm using a transparency to make sure the alignment of my stamp is all set to go. Just using some black ink just so I can get the image down and make sure that it's centered. So that looks great. Now I have it all ready to go, and I'm going to start stamping with my ink color here. It's a pigment ink and it's fairly light in color, so like I had mentioned, I want to do quite a few layers just to make sure I have a nice good impression of that stamp and a nice deep dark color of that seafoam color ink. Next I'm just going to take some string and tie that around the center of my panel here with a cute little bow. I love bows. All set here, just trimming off the tail of that bow. And now just going to glue down the bottom layer of cardstock to my card base and then popping up this center panel with some foam adhesive. I'm going to leave myself some room in the center of that card so I can mess around with that bow. If I need to move it, slide it up or down, it gives me some wiggle room. So I'm just playing with this bow. It got a little big, and then I went and placed my sentiment in a bunch of different areas just to kind of see where I liked it, and decided on the placement above the bow here and kind of in the center. And I'm just going to pop that sentiment up, which has been pre-stamped and embossed in white on some black cardstock. And I popped that up with some foam adhesive. And here I'm still playing with that bow. Bows are never perfect, people. We gotta keep playing with them until they look pretty. And last, I'm adding some cute little pink hearts. Just adds another layer of color and movement to the card and a cute little accent as well. I'm using some Tombow mono adhesive to glue those down. Does a great job. They're not gonna go anywhere. Here's the finished card with some simple stamping and a popped up sentiment. So easy to customize the colors and stamps to any occasion. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.